This is the place, it's right next to the beach, and all of this will be in the downtown of Tulum. Here you'll find the famous Burrito Mor.
If you're looking for where to stay, I recommend that zone. Looks like no one's here.
This place looks incredible.
We gotta go explore.
Tulum, it's been fun. A hidden gem, in my opinion. After spending a month in Mexico City, we were craving a beach town. We've been to Tulum once before, so we said, let's see how much it had changed. For sure, many of the streets were still under construction. This time, we rented a scooter to get around, because there was no Uber and most of the taxis were overpriced. We made it to the beach. The parking cost $5. It's like one parking for the entire beach. We started our day with a fresh acai bowl, a raw loaf, and then we walked around to see if the seaweed rumor was true. Either way, we have more plans beside the beach. Most of these beaches have private restaurants and beach clubs just like this one. It is for sure something to get used to. Most beach towns we visit have public access, and you just lay down whatever you want without consumption.
Just a little bit of sargasso.
Yes, the sargasso has been an issue along the coast, but it's still a decent beach to visit. We found shade under a coconut tree. This is it. We could spend here the entire morning just enjoying this perfect weather. Keep in mind that this is the low season, we're in July. Apparently, the busy season is in December. So most of the beach clubs are empty. So now you know, if you are into crowds, come in December. If you're not, come in summer. Do you see that sign over there that says Muhut? I thought that was the name of the beach club that's behind me, but then Lau asked me, do you want to take a video of the Tulum sign over there? I was like, Tulum? That says Muhut. This is a famous street in Tulum that has all of the restaurants, hotels and clubs that you see on social media. This is the place, it's right next to the beach. Also a side note, all of the ATMs on this street are on US dollars. If you need Mexican pesos, you'll need to go to downtown. It's super Americanized, this street, but it is what it is. At this point, we weren't sure we made the best decision to spend a month in Tulum. Things have changed drastically since the last time we came. We got back to our Airbnb and started cooking lunch. When we travel, at least 80% of our meals are at home to keep them healthy with ingredients we can control. When you bounce around different cities, it's important to find consistency and build a routine. And eating out gets boring after an entire year of traveling.
We always have the pool to ourselves. It's as if no one else were here.
This is my favorite part of this building. On the bright side, when finding an Airbnb in Tulum, you will find stunning properties like this. The only issue is that some of the streets are not fully developed. During summer, it's normal to get some rain all afternoons, but today has been perfect. We're all fresh. Now it's time for some errands. We have to buy
almond flour, because I'm gonna make some banana bread type of thing. 2 pairs of goggles, so we can swim. And my birthday outfit, because my birthday is coming up.
And all of these will be in the downtown of Tulum, which is the main part. You'll find shops and everything in actual Mexican pesos. So this is Tulum Centro. This avenue in specific is the main one of the entire town. Here you'll find the famous Burrito Mor and all of the gas stations and convenience stores. You will frequent this street often. Plus, Chadrawi supermarket is just around the corner.
We found the goggles.
We couldn't find the dress. So
we looked in every single store like along the town, anything. No luck. Our last stop is the Aldea Sama, which is a zone that's pretty developed. If you're looking for where to stay, I recommend that zone. So that's our next stop, and then we're headed home.
3 hours later.
We found the dress! Birthday suit ready!
Good morning. Today is Cenote Day. Cenotes are what make Tulum worth the trip, especially when the beach is filled with seaweed.
Looks like no one's here.
Maybe we are the only ones. This one is about 8 minutes from the apartment. It's really convenient and it's right in front of another cenote that's super famous called Cristal and Escondido. And the good thing about Tulum is that you have the beach, but if you want to switch it up, you can come to cenotes.
Let's see.
Vesica is a private cenote, so we're looking forward to all of its amenities. This place looks incredible and we are the only ones here. They open from 11 to 7 p.m. I would recommend, if you decide to come here, make sure that you come early so you can enjoy the entire day. The prices to access this place is about $20 per person, and for children it's about $10. Usually the recommended minimum spend is about $30 per person, so keep that in mind when you come. It is just as I remember it. Cenote water is the perfect temperature and super clear.
Gotta put on your swimming shoes because the rocks are slippery. We gotta go explore what's really under the water. Here we go.
This spot alone makes our month stay totally worth it. Lau said that if she had a lake house,
it would be like this. Welcome. It would be decorated exactly like this. This is my vibe.
They also have massages available inside the property. The therapist just came in showing the menu. It's about $50 to $100 depending of the duration and the type of the massage. Every cenote has its charm, and there are so many that you could try a new one every day during your stay.
Got a hot tea, and it's so good. Look at the size of my hand. Huge.
This is just a pre-game to our lunch that's coming up. It's gonna be outside because there's a place I want to show you. It's one of our favorite places in Tulum, and I think it's a hidden gem. In the meantime, look at this.
It looks insane and it smells delicious. This one's amazing and it's so fresh. I wanted to try the food here, like a big plate, because all the reviews had said it was amazing.
Here we go. I'm a man on a mission to show you my favorite taco place in Tulum. Welcome to Antojitos La Chiapaneca. They have el trompo outside, ready for your al pastor taco. And bring cash, by the way. We got 3 tostadas and 2 tacos. I always get al pastor. I mean, come on, do you see that outside? It's super simple, as you can see. You don't have a lot of condiments inside. You have your 2 sauces, like a vinegar type, and then your spicy sauce. You just put a little bit and it's spot on. It's really, really good. Now, I gave you a full plan for a day. We did the cenotes and then the tacos, which is pretty cool. That will be the perfect combination for a successful Saturday. There you have it. Tulum, it's been fun. Good morning, today is a special day.
It's my birthday.
I've been planning Lau's birthday for a few weeks, and my plan to Bacalar Lagoon got cancelled at the last minute by the tour guide. Good thing I had a plan B, so we headed to the Yellow Nest. Welcome to the Yellow Nest. This hotel is about 40 minutes away by scooter from Tulum. It's a long drive, but completely worth it. This is a stunning property in the middle of the jungle. They said the pool water is cenote water, which makes it even better. The experience also includes a delicious floating breakfast with Mexican fusion flavors that are out of this world. A birthday massage is always a must, and we're always into trying new things, so we went into a temazcal ceremony. This is a popular tradition in Mexico where a shaman places water on top of rocks to produce steam inside the room. This ceremony will make you sweat, and it is supposed to cleanse your body and mind. We drank our final fresh juice for the day and returned home to prepare for the night. Oh, and Lau was in charge of her own cake. She found a unique bakery that makes custom cakes and you can pick your ingredients. And we ate it as we should, inside a glass. Her idea though.
I asked for no sugar, so it has no sugar.
To end the day, I had a final surprise for Lau. She has been wanting to go to Greece to dance and break plates. So I heard about Ilios in Tulum that had this tradition. She had no idea until the waiter brought her some plates with a note saying to get ready. And she finally did it. We are now ready for Greece. Happy 27th birthday, love. What an epic day this was. The next day, it's back to our routine. A quick run. Gym session. We made it. And somehow shores. A routine is what keeps us grounded and makes any place we visit feel like home. We work during the day and then explore after. We found this place during our second week, and I wanted to come again to show you how cool it was. Every Tuesday in Palma Central we have
Salsa night.
It's about $5 per person to enter, and you have a bunch of restaurants and little shops. And the ticket includes salsa class for 1 hour, and then you can dance socially after the class. Places like this one make towns more fun. They are perfect to meet like-minded people and create a community while traveling. Salsa night, check.
Good morning. We are off to a lagoon.
We found the coolest lagoon online and we wanted to visit it before we left. It's about 30 minutes away from Tulum, but it's totally worth it. Just wait and see. This is Neek Lagoon, a hidden gem in my opinion. We got there and got lucky. You are supposed to reserve your spot in advance, but they had 2 more spots available. It's just a beautiful place and it's the perfect bachelor alternative. This place is 200 pesos per person and it includes the access to the lagoon, kayaks and paddleboards. Plus, it's dog friendly. Our month in Tulum is almost coming to an end, and even though Tulum can be very touristy and overpriced, you can still do research and find hidden gems like this one. In a couple of years, once the airport is built and the roads are fully paved, I'm sure it will be a completely different experience. But it's not over yet. We had one last stop that you need on your bucket list. Welcome to Pazz. Before going to our next destination, I wanted to show you this pizza place. It's my favorite one in Tulum. And the best part, this place was just 2 minutes away from the apartment. Real, legit Napolitan pizza. So good. And next, we're off to the Mexican beach town everyone has been talking about. We can see the beach from here. We made it.
Got all the eggs right here.
And I can't wait to spend a full month here.
Everyone agrees.
Just in time for sunset. So far this place has been great. Now I'm gonna take you to two of our favorite coffee shops.
We're on our way.